everybody, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Are you guys ready? Okay, March 20th was the first day of spring. So this week we are going to be reading books that are all about the season of spring and things that grow. Alright, our first book is Goodbye Winter, Hello Spring, written and illustrated by Kenard Pak and published by Henry Holt and Company. Hello, Winter Night. Hello, Snow. Hello from high up in the sky. I drift down, 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 down. I fall through the sycamore branches. I fall onto a husky's bushy tail. Hello, frozen pond. Hello, sleeping fish. Hello, we huddle for a winter sleep. Over our frozen ceiling, the wind sweeps away snowy dust. Hello, glass house. Hello, I'm cold inside. The swaying trees through my glass panels are like tall, slender ghosts. The glass logs are draped with snow. Hello, Winter Brook. Hello. Rocks and sticks are frozen in the ice along my curving banks. Hello, footprints in the snow. Hello, we disappear as the snow covers us. Hello, trees. Hello. Our thin arms shudder and lash in the rising snowstorm. Hello, empty nest. Hello. Against the striking winds, my twigs stay together. Hello, winter storm. I howl. Good morning, orange-soaked hills. Good morning, we glow at dawn. Hello, early light. I illuminate everything around you. Hello, slush and snow. Hello. In the sunlight, I soak into the cold ground. In the shadow, I stay still and icy. Hello, winter thaw. Hello, new leaves. Hello, waking animals. Hello, bright sun. I warm the land. Hello, budding flowers. Hello, bright blue pond. Hello, running brook. Hello, green grass all over. Hello, robins. Hello, our petals blossom. The fish are awake. Streams run down the hills. Morning dew is on the meadows. The birds have come back. Goodbye, winter. Hello, spring. All right, that was Goodbye, Winter. Hello, Spring. What'd you guys think? I like the illustrations. All right, our second book is Flower Garden by Eve Bunting, illustrated by Kathryn Hewitt, and published by Houghton Mifflin. Garden in a shopping cart. Doesn't it look great? Garden on the checkout stand. I can hardly wait. Garden in a cardboard box, walking to the bus. Garden sitting on our laps. People smile at us. Garden going up the stairs, stopping at each floor. This garden's getting heavier. At last, our own front door. Hurry, hurry, get the trowel, spread the papers thick. Get the bag of potting soil, get the planting mix. Put purple pansies at each end, daisies white as snow, daffodils, geraniums, and tulips in a row. Garden in a window box, high above the street. Where butterflies can stop and rest and ladybugs can meet. Walkers walking down below will lift their heads and see purple, yellow, red, and white, a colored jamboree. Candles on a birthday cake, chocolate ice cream too. happy, happy birthday, Mom. A garden box for you. All right, that was Flower Garden. What'd you guys think? Did you like it? All right, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with story time. If you come down to the library this week, you can pick up something called a story time kit, which are these fun-filled activity kits that we made to go with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a recipe, and a craft that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our craft is this tissue paper flower. So you can color in a picture of a flower using glue and tissue paper. Nice and messy. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now, we have 2 crates, one for Monday story times and one for Wednesdays. So you want to make sure that you grab the right kit, or you could end up with something completely different. The kits for this story time are in the group A crate. They're the red ones. New kits come out whenever there's a new story time. And if you want to try a kit from last week, it never hurts to ask the librarians. We might still have some. Maybe ask for me, Miss Nina. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. And I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!